Hey guys, so bad websites. We've all seen them, from sketchy to downright weird. But today, I wanted to try to make the absolute worst website to ever be seen on the internet. So let's get into it. To start off, we're gonna make a new project in VS Code. Let's add a new file, naming it appropriately. And now we can start coding. We're gonna be adding an H1 element for our title. We can make it a nice greeting. Now, to make the website bad, we've got to make it pointless. So I'm just gonna be adding some links and random stuff like that. I'm also thinking of adding a nice div element to later turn it into a box. You know, just for filler. Let's add our images. I'll also be adding a warning screen as I think this website deserves it. Now that we're done with the base of our website, we can get to the fun part, styling it. The first thing I'm gonna do is adding a background. I decided to go for this horrendous style that way too many websites have. Yes. Beautiful. Now let's work on the text. I'll be making the text a red color and making it so that when you hover over the links, it will turn blue to really highlight the details. Now that that's done, I'm gonna be working on the box. We'll resize it and make it have an appealing border. We'll also be turning it green and I'll move a picture inside of it. For the warning screen, I resized the text and I've also changed the background color to gray. Lastly, I added a photosensitive warning for something that's about to come up. You guessed it. The thing that will make this website stand on top of the garbage pile will be flashing text. To do it, we're gonna be making a simple animation using CSS that will turn the red to a purple. And with that, we're done styling. There's only one thing I want to add. For the cherry on top, I'm gonna be adding a small little Easter egg using JavaScript. This link, when clicked, will be sending the user to another web page, which will ask them to enter a password. If you're interested on finding the password, it will be in the pinned comment. I won't be spoiling where you have to click though. If you want to visit the website, it will be in the description down below. And with that, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more content like this. And with that, I'm out. See ya!